Wishing you all a pleasant day. I'm Dr. C. Janita Nancy, Assistant Professor belonging to the Department of Mathematics, PPG College of Arts and Science, Coimbatore. The topic which we are going to discuss today is game theory. We are going to see the basic definitions in game theory. Now let us see the definition of game theory. Game theory is a branch of mathematics that studies strategic interactions where the outcome for each participant depends on the action of others. It helps in analyzing situations of competition, cooperation, and conflict. Next is the definition of players. A player is an individual, group, or organization that makes decisions in a game. Examples: two companies competing in a market, two political parties in an election, and two firms setting prices. Now comes the definition of strategy. A strategy is a complete plan of action chosen by a player. There are two types of strategies. One is pure and other is mixed strategy. Let us see the definition of pure strategy. Pure strategy refers to choosing one specific action, and mixed strategy refers to choosing actions with certain probabilities. Next is payoff. A payoff is the outcome received by a player after all players choose their strategies. It may represent profit, loss, utility, and gain. Payoffs are usually represented in a payoff matrix. Now, what is payoff matrix? A payoff matrix is a table that shows the outcomes for all possible strategy combinations of players. Next is zero-sum game. A zero-sum game is a game where one player's gain equals another player's loss. Therefore, total payoff will be equal to zero. Example, poker and competitive bidding. Non-zero-sum game. A non-zero-sum game is a game where total gains and losses do not cancel out. Players may both win or both lose. Example, business partnerships, trade agreements. Now comes the main definition known as saddle point. A saddle point exists when the minimum of the row maxima is equal to the maximum of the column minima. If a saddle point exists, then it represents that the game has a pure strategy solution. Next is value of the game. The value of the game is the expected payoff when both players use optimal strategies. Positive value represents the advantage to player A and negative value represents the advantage to player B. Mixed strategy. When no saddle point exists, players use a mixed strategy. They assign probabilities to different strategies to minimize the risk. Next is the dominance principle. A strategy is said to dominate another if it gives a better payoff in all situations. Dominated strategies can be eliminated to simplify the game. Here comes the applications of game theory. Game theory is used in business competition, pricing decisions, advertising strategies, military planning, economics, and political science. Conclusion: game theory helps analyze strategic decision-making situations involving conflict and cooperation. It is widely used in economics, business, and management. Thank you all.